Hi everyone, Ashley here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you a pack with me video. My last pack with me video was for my SoCal road trip and I can link that above and below. But this one is for my Ohio trip. I will be going to Cleveland, Ohio, which is where I was born and raised, June 30th to July 7th. So I'll be there for a week. Obviously I'll be there for the 4th of July, just spending time with my family there. So it's gonna be a really low-key trip. And I'll be staying with my sister. So that kind of gives me some leeway as far as packing goes. Obviously she has a washer and dryer. You know, I can like use some of her like toiletries, like her like shampoo and conditioner and stuff. So it gives me a little bit of leeway as far as what I'm packing. But I'm going to show you everything that I'm packing. I've got it all here on my lap. And then I will show you the actual pack with me part of the video in a little bit. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe. So I have everything here on my lap and I'm going to be taking to Ohio with me. A few things, I have a pile of laundry to do. So there's a few things in there that I will be taking with me that are not obviously ready to go. So those are missing. But for the most part, everything's here that I'm taking with me. It will be over 4th of July. It's Ohio in the summer, so it gets really warm and humid. And we have horrible, horrible winters, but we have like crazy summers as well, like very hot. So my sister has a kind of a pretty big kind of kiddie pool. Like adults can sit in it for my niece. So we might take advantage of that and just be like laying out in her backyard on her like the patio and stuff, enjoying the nice weather. So for that, I am bringing just one bikini because obviously I can wash it and dry it at our house as much as I need to. So I'm bringing just one of those. Just one cover up. It's the only one I own, so I guess I'm only bringing that one. The pair of pajamas that it's like the set, shorts and short sleeve button up set from Amazon that I've been wearing constantly and I took on my last trip as well. It's gonna be really warm when we're there, but Ohio, even in a day, the weather is so changeable and unpredictable. So I am just bringing a white cardigan. It's kind of a quarter length. I wish it was full, but it's not. It's from Mac Sweater, which I have a few things from them, but it has this like cute little kind of like lacy kind of detail to the top, and the rest of it's just a plain white cardigan, nothing really interesting, but I wanted a little bit something for maybe if the evenings get cool. I can always borrow something from my sister too if I need something heavier. So that lets me not have to bring like a jacket or a sweater or something because I can just borrow something of hers. So that's nice when you can get away with that. So I am bringing 3 outfits. I'll be there for like 6 non-travel days, I guess. So I think that's right. Let's see. I arrive on the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. Yeah. I actually travel overnight on the 30th. So yeah. So I'm just gonna basically do half of the days. So hopefully I can just wear everything twice. If I need to wash stuff, I will, no big deal. So I kind of brought a variety of clothes. So I started off with these black high-waisted unique vintage shorts. I took the blue version of these. I have them in navy and black on my SoCal road trip, and they were from my most recent unique vintage haul. So I'm taking the black pair to Ohio with me. So yeah, they're just cloth. They're high-waisted, they have pockets in the front, and they have these really cute like little anchor buttons all the way down the front. So that's nice. And similar to my SoCal pack with me video, well, blinked for a second, I'm also again bringing these white tees from Amazon. They're Urban Cocoa. And they're just so soft and fitted right. Like they fit, like they're just fitted to me very well. And they're just like breathable and they just like feel really good. Like, I don't know, like you just find a tee, like the right tee and you just don't want to live without it. So I'm bringing one of those to go with the black shorts. The next outfit is a little bit more, I don't know. I feel like that's going to be like if I'm playing with my niece and everything, I can wear that. This is a little bit not like that, I guess. So the first piece of it is Mine brand. It's not a sweater. It's just like a very light knit top. I got this on uniquevintage.com, I believe. So it's just cream, you know, it's like a light knit, and it has like a more of a little bit of a translucent sleeve with these little poms. So yeah, I figured like we're gonna be, depending on what we're doing on the day, we might be in museums or at the house and stuff, so it's going to be like climate control. And it's not going to be like 100 degrees. I've been checking pretty regularly, and I think it's supposed to be like in the low to mid 80s, so Hopefully I don't regret bringing this top. It's not too heavy. Anyway, this top, and it's going to go with something that I got as a Unique Vintage haul. This should be sponsored by Unique Vintage, but it's not. So I haven't even worn it yet. The tags are still on it. But it was in a Unique Vintage haul a couple ago. But it's this like hunter green skirt, and it has the pockets. What brand is it? Band Retro, which is a great brand. Has pockets, which of course is must have in a skirt. So yeah, it's just a plain long skirt. So I thought that would go nice with the cream top. Yeah. So that's coming. And so this is a brand new, the last thing I'm bringing is a dress, and it's a brand new one. Basically, this is a little bit of a haul too from my LA trip. I went to Unique Vintage, like the brick and mortar, and got one dress. I only got one thing. I was very proud of myself. So I had just done a big Unique Vintage haul, as you saw on my channel. So I really didn't want to go crazy. So I still have the tags on it, haven't used it yet. It is Unique Vintage brand, and it is this white and blue striped, like sleeveless dress. And it's pretty simple. It just has buttons down the front. It's pretty simple, but it does come with a matching belt, which has the same stripes. And for around the neck here, it has this little like ribbon, I guess, that ties around so you can see that, ties around the neck, which really like makes it so much cuter. I don't have it on there correctly, but you get the kind of the idea. It kind of goes under the collar and then sits like that. And you can tie it any way you want. So that really gives it something different. So yeah, I just thought that would be a great summer dress, which I'm all about right now. And I just happened to see that at Unique Vintage and managed to just keep to that. So I was proud of myself. So those are all like the day clothes I'm bringing. For working out, I am bringing just 2 workout tops. I'm hopefully gonna get some workouts in at my sister's. I should be able to. We're gonna have probably have a lot of downtime, so why not? So I'm bringing 2 of those. I have to wash sports bras, so I'll bring in a couple of sports bras. And here is a pair of just black workout pants. And then for the other set, the other pair of pants for the set, I am going to be wearing on the plane. So I'll kind of get a double use out of that. So I'm bringing another set of black workout pants. That'll be on the plane and also be for working out later when I'm there. And then the top that I'm wearing on the plane is this Disneyland Spirit jersey that I got on sale months ago from Shop Disney. So I just my hair, I must be shedding because my hair is all over it. So that's why I get distracted looking down. So it's this tie-dye Spirit jersey with the like raised glitter tie-dye D there. It says established 1955. And on the back, big Disneyland all across the back. Disneyland Resort. So this is like oversized, comfortable, long sleeve, but it's not a sweater, so I don't have to worry about like overheating or anything on the plane. But you know, planes are usually cold, so at least I'll have the long sleeve. And I'm also going to be bringing, like, I have a pillow that in the stuffing of the little travel pillow is a blanket, so I'll always take that with me. So that can also help if I get too chilly on the plane. So on to accessories. For jewelry, I haven't packed it yet. I usually bring really simple gold and silver like jewelry. I usually bring like a couple pairs of silver earrings and silver necklace, and then the same with the gold, so I can switch them in and out. So I haven't packed those yet, but it's probably usually like my simple Tiffany stuff is usually what I'll wear. So, but for the other kind of accessories, for headbands, okay, so I'm gonna be over there for 4th of July, and I was thinking the white and the blue striped dress it's white and blue. And if I wanted to put something red on, I feel like I could bring one of these two headbands. I'm still undecided which one. So one of these will be coming with me probably if I feel like I want to get in the festivities. We'll see if I even care about that. So one of those is coming with me. And then this headband. This is new. Look at that. This embroidered headband. It's so gorgeous. This dark emerald green, and then it has gold, white, and like a lime green embroidering on it. That's like, it's so pretty. And it's just like a thick headband. So, or wide, I should say. And it has a little, looks like a little bow on the top. So, I got this from Audrey K Boutique, which is just down the street from Unique Vintage. I always pop my head in there and see what they have, and they have this. And I also got a new pair of sunglasses from there too, which I may or may not bring. I haven't decided which pair of sunglasses I'm bringing yet, so I will be bringing this. This will be worn, I'm sure, with the white tee and the black shorts, so bringing that. And then for my purse, I am just bringing something simple and smallish, I guess. I'm just bringing this, I think the original, where was it originally from? I got it off Poshmark, I think, Forever 21. Yeah, so this, I think this I got the second hand. Yeah, it holds up really well. It's neutral color. It's a good enough size, and it's like a crossbody, so I can just throw it across and go, and just have like whatever I need for the day with me. As far as shoes, I only have one pair with me of the 3 that I'm bringing, so I can only show you the one. And I'm going to be bringing my just plain white Keds that are a staple and go with everything. They'll go with all my outfits. So I'm bringing these on the trip with me. The other 2 are, and if you remember, if you watched my last pack with me video, I had a pair of like tan sandals that fell off of, when I was showing you, they fell off the table. So I wore those, and I wore them to death, and they actually like cracked, like the sole cracked while I was on vacation. So I had to just dump them. So I don't really have a pair of sandals like that, but I ordered a new similar pair, and they were supposed to be here yesterday, so I'm just waiting for them to come, and hopefully they work out. And if they work out, those will just be like my nude sandals that I'm gonna bring, and they'll go with everything as well. And then the 3rd pair, which is also supposed to arrive any moment, is a new pair of running shoes. So my running shoes are just out of the workout shoes, whatever you're gonna do in them, but like athletic shoes. So I have a new pair coming. I'm gonna travel in them, so they won't be packed. So only these and the sandals will be packed. So these are the smallest pairs. So I'll be packing those, wearing my athletic shoes on the plane, there and back, and then using them for working out, treadmill. My sister has a treadmill, running outside, whatever, because I do want to get some workouts there. And while I'm there, because I did not work out at all, didn't happen for our SoCal road trip. So yeah, those are all the shoes I'm bringing. Hope they work out, because I haven't got them yet. So, but you know, everything should fit fine. I'm not really worried about it. Obviously, I'll be packing underwear, socks, and some toiletries. I'm going to my sister's house, so thankfully I don't have to bring everything, like all the toiletries, because she's being very nice and letting me use her stuff, so that'll save me some room. I also have a smallish bag of gifts for my niece, so I need to make sure I have room for that. And also, obviously, that will not be coming back with me, because one day I'm going thrifting with my aunt, so it would be nice to have a little bit extra room on the way home in case I find something when I'm out with them. So that's pretty much everything for my carry-on. Anything else you'll see me add when I actually show you the video of me actually packing the bag. So we can move on to my personal item. In my, my bag declutter video, which I can link above and below, I got rid of my travel book bag, which was a diaper bag, and I still stand strong that diaper bags are the best travel bags. So I got another one, and I got it to match my away case, which is like a, not perfect match, but a similar green, and green's my favorite color, so I thought I'd go for a green travel bag this time. This is also a diaper bag, has lots of great compartments, and actually better, I think, than the one I had before. A lot of great compartments, just, well, it has like, you know, it's easy to wipe up if you like spill something in there, obviously, because it's meant to be for kids, and it's great. I just love a diaper bag for a travel bag. So I got a new one. So I have some stuff in here that I can just leave in here for now. Everything else I'll be adding later on when I actually do like the packing part, like the physical packing part of this video. So things like Advil, my wallet, all that, you'll see that go in later. But for some of the specific travel, like alone, like travel items, I've already put them in here. So I mentioned before that I have a travel blanket / pillow that I travel with, and that's this, and I have it already in there. And I can always stick this on the outside or whatever, or carry it, but for now I just stuffed it in there. So this is really soft, and I actually usually lay it over my pillow whenever I'm traveling, so it's just a nice, it makes me feel like at home. So I usually use that a lot during my trip, even when I'm off the plane. So got that, my iPad. So this will be all my entertainment and books and everything. I like to keep it. I don't like to bring physical books when I'm traveling on a plane. So everything is on there. And I'll obviously like TV shows and all that for the plane, that'll all be on there. Sleep masks, because on the way out we are doing a red eye. So I don't know if I'll use it, but it's good to have it, and it takes up like no space, so better to have it and not need it. This will be for my sunglasses. This is a Bell Disney sunglasses case. I haven't decided which sunglasses I'm bringing yet, so I just put this in there. This is from my Daiso haul, actually, so they have a lot of Disney stuff there. And I just threw in here for now earplugs for me and my husband for both of our legs of the trip, so I'll be putting those somewhere a little bit more useful, but for now I just threw them in there. And then I have my Beats headphones, which I only use traveling. They have like the cord so they can go into the, I don't know if we're gonna have a screen in the seat back or not, like it, you know, just depends on what plane you get. So, but this obviously has the cord plug, so I can plug that into the seat and watch something, or also my iPad has the headphone jack, so I'll be using that for that as well. And I can watch stuff on using my AirPods, but this is like, the noise canceling on these is much better, I think. It just seems to, when I wear my AirPods when I'm trying to sleep on a plane because these are just too big, they're over the ear. But when I'm watching something, I think these work the best. And again, these have a little hook, so I can hook them on the outside if things get a little crowded on the inside. And I think that's all I have in here at the moment. Yeah. So I think all I'm really adding here is just like stuff that's in my purse that I'll need, like everyday things, my wallet. I'm not bringing my computer, chargers, which I may even put in my other bag. I can't think of anything else. I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, I think I've got it pretty much planned out without those few outliers. But now we can kind of fast forward a few days and let's get packed. Okay, so I'm going to start with just using my favorite packing method, which is rolling method, and just roll all the clothes and stick them in here. I did decide to remove the green skirt and the beige top, and after this video I actually replaced them with my ModCloth vintage reproduction jeans that I love, and a black and white striped like quarter length top that I love. Because one of the days actually plummeted, like right before we left. So that was thrown at the last minute, which you won't see here. So there was a little bit of last minute changes, which is very typical for Ohio weather travel. Like you never know what you're gonna get, like with very little notice. So those are some changes that I added that some of it you see here, some of it you don't. So and then on the other side, that's a gift from my niece, a little California themed bear that we got in Palm Springs for her. And my sandals and the shoes that we talked about. Those sandals in the previous footage had not come in yet, and thankfully those worked out really well. They're comfy and look as they should. There was no surprises with those, so I was happy with that. So those go in, and yeah, basically I don't really use packing cubes for this bag because it kind of is a packing cube on its own, so that's nice. If I was using any other luggage, I would probably use a packing cube. And there I'm just packing the headbands that I just talked about. I did decide to take the one that didn't have the red band, but just had the red bow, but I ended up not even using it, so I just took it. Okay, now we're on to my personal item, which is my diaper bag, travel bag. As you can see, I did take out the teddy bear and from my luggage to this, that just ended up fitting better with everything. So I ended up carrying it in there, and everything fit. I was able to put my snacks in there and everything, no problem, and I was able to fit my blanket and pillow combo right inside, so I didn't have anything hanging off. So I'm all packed and ready to go. I'm really excited for my trip. The highlight of my trip, I already tell you, is going to be hanging out with my niece and playing with her, playing hide and seek and spoiling her. And I do that over FaceTime, but it's different. So that's what I'm so excited about. And also seeing everyone else in my family will be great too. It'll be a little bit bittersweet because I'm going over 4th of July, and 4th of July was my dad's birthday, and he passed away August 15th. So this will be his first birthday without him. So I'll be going to the graveyard on 4th of July because I left the day after his funeral, after we buried his ashes there. So I haven't been back. I've seen a picture of his headstone, but I haven't seen it there. So it'll be a little bit bittersweet for that because 4th of July was always more about my dad's birthday to me. So yeah, but it'll be a good trip overall, and I'm excited about it. Thanks for watching. That's all for today, and I'll see you next time. Bye.